On the iconic documentaries, the news show this week, Woke completes its takeover of the BBC. And in the US, woke banks go broke. And there seems to be a symbiotic relationship between woke and broke. And then the Pope is open to dropping the celibacy law for priests, which was apparently instigated in the 11th century on the grounds that priests without children were more likely to leave their wealth to the church. Money, 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 it's always money. Extraordinary story. That's the iconic documentary news show from 7 p.m. every Friday, UK time. And you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.